You think I know that you've been down at Smoky Joe, spending all of my working cash, drinking mash and talking trash, yeah. You ain't fooling me no more. Oh, oh. So don't come knocking on my door. Woman, I'm all done with you. You just lost yourself a fool. Go out and find another man, yeah. To lay them greenbacks in your hand. You ain't welcome here no more. So don't come knocking on my door. Well, I bought you a pretty dresses, everything that your heart desires. I bought you high heel sneakers and a car with some white wall tires. Give you all my loving, all that I got was shame. Cause all you done was to cheat on me and you scandalized my name. Now, I want money, hear me? Well, when I say, well, turn your head and walk away. You don't fool me when you cry, cry, cry. And I've done said my last goodbye now. I don't want you around no more. So don't come knocking on my door. Don't you come knocking, I don't want you around no more. No, don't you come knocking on my door. Don't you come knocking, I don't want you